sound D. Dear kids, read the letter D. It makes sound D. Dog. Dog starts from the sound D. Say aloud more words that start from the sound D. D is for duck. D is for doctor. D is for dolphin. Trace and color. Let's trace the letter D, which sounds D. Rhyme D. D is make a C go up and come down and down. Trace all the letters properly. Wow! Time to color the dog. Trace and write. Do you know, kids? D, which sounds D, is a sky letter. Letters having a stem which goes up and touches the upper line are sky letters. Now trace and write the letter D properly. Progress check. Match the beginning sound D with the correct picture. 1 is done for you. Duck starts with the sound D. Dolphin starts with the sound D.